How to send fax in Outlook. So first of all, if you wanna go ahead and do this, Microsoft generally requires a connected fax service, or connected, fax modem. Generally a fax service or a connected fax modem. So basically, Outlook itself cannot send fax directly, so you have to make sure that all these things are set up properly. And yeah, so make sure that your fax service provider is connected to a number, a LAN or something, or maybe if you're using online fax service, then you, you'll be need to give all your fax email correctly in the section. So after all these things, you can just go ahead and click on new email. Once you click on new email, it will make a new inbox draft. So then you need to put the address of your fax machine. So I don't have it right now, so I'm just giving examples. Yeah, you need to put the address of the fax machine here, and then yeah, you can write your subject anything you want or something. For more easier, you can just expand it. Yeah, once you have done all this, yeah, you need to learn to manage file, or try to attach it to some kind of PDF. What kind of file you want to send, you have to convert that in the form of that. So yeah, and as you have given all your addresses of your fax services and all, you can go ahead and send it to that person or that machine. So that's all for how to send fax in Outlook. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for future videos like this.